To make a window in AutoCAD, simply select rectangle here, click once, point to a direction and give the length of your window. In this case, I will type 600 and then press the tab key and give the thickness of your wall. I will type 230 and then I will press enter. And then I will select the rectangle again. I will click once and make the window frame of 50 units. Press the tab key and type 50 and then press enter. Now if you select it and select move, you can select the midpoint and drop it to this midpoint. To copy it here, you can simply select it, select mirror, select this midpoint, point downwards and just click. For the erase, select no. Now if you select line and join this point with this point, press enter. You can select the line, select copy, select it from here. You can copy one here, copy another line here, and then to end that command, press enter. Now if you want to make this a block because it is individual objects, simply click on create here, click on it. You just do three things. The first one is give it a name, which we will call window 600 millimeters, and then we pick a base point. Click here as your base point, and then we select the object by clicking here. Click once, highlight everything and click. Don't forget to press enter, check convert to block and then click on OK. Now it is a single object that you can copy freely in your drawings.